Me with David. What did I just do, David?
You did one of the most incredible purchases that you can do.
God.
And that's purchase a mighty AU in the most luxuriness that you
can't see it, it's all the way back there, guys, but I just bought 2001 the Fairlane. Not bad. Good size. Very good.
First off, praise to the Most High. Glorious you and you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no fight, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
What a rig. This ad is not sponsored by Coca-Cola, I'm just thirsty. But welcome to another vlog with Quinny. My video guy bought a Fairlane. Same colour as mine. So we literally picked it up last night in the dark, so no footage because it was pitch black dark. Here in Australia, it gets dark very early now. So we're going to put on the hoist, see what it's looking like underneath it. We suspect ball joints busted, probably rear end bushes busted, but we've got a good deal on this thing, so we're going to start. Sorry guys. Seemed to be too bad actually. Oh, how's it gone? There we go. Found the first problem. Busted. Top ones might be okay. They're not the worst, but I've definitely had worse. What differential ratio is it? I don't know, because someone's painted. Thanks. Very open, no LSD. Not the worst, eh? When I bought my one, the blokes dropped it down here to me. I took it for a drive, and this arm, just the toe arm just snapped off. It was accusing me of crashing, mate. I must crash because of the arm breaking. What did you do? Did you crash on the way here? That's interesting. You exhaust? That's exhausting. Yeah, right. Transmission leak is far out. Horrible. It's had a gearbox change. It's one of the records. What? It's covered in mud. It must have been full and dry. Oh, recent steering rack. That's a bonus. Oh. Not too bad. A little bit of play, but they're not the worst. I think someone wore the brake pads out at one stage a bit too far. And it's very well possible. Interesting. That's interesting. It's not factory, so not really any oil leaks from the engine. That's pretty good. Aftermarket can upper arms, spider web. Not bad. So someone's put new bushes and stuff in it, so it's had a bit of maintenance on it. It's done 334,000 actually. Brake pads recently. That's actually not a bad deal. It's actually looking pretty good. Ball joints seem to have only a tiny bit of play. That's not too bad. This one should be a win. We're ready. Alright guys, we're jumping back into the Fairlane. We're going to change the transmission fluid and the filter kit. So we're just going to jump right into that and get going. Alright, so that fluid should be red. It's pretty brown right there. That's your filter, obviously, right there. So I'll just, that clip holds it, pop it out, change that over, clean the pan back out. And this pan is pretty, that's bad. It's not too much in the filter, but the fluid condition is horrible. Filth. Alright, so we've got the clip off, and then we'll just slip this bad boy out and kick a bunch more oil in here. And then you always, every Falcon, unless it was changed yesterday, the little seal stays inside, so you gotta make sure you pop that out. The amount of cars that have come in, someone's changed the filter and there's two of them in there and the filter doesn't sit properly. It's funny. That's right. Let's whack it on.
Very good.
Chest is feeling a bit pressured. I'll stick to mechanics. Now that she's nice and clean, and then our new filtration, very good. And then we'll slip that bubble in. Oof, just like that. And we can, oh, look at that, it even stayed clipped on. Known fact for some people, if you put this on the wrong way, it's very, very hard to get it on. Just doesn't want to get there. Oos, come on boy. Give up. Chances are, if it's not going on, it's probably you, not the part. Found the problem. It wasn't sitting right where it needed to. I was the problem. That's it. So we'll just throw the pan back on, new gasket, fill her up. Well, we're not tipping this one in, but we'll send it anyway. What did we do? What have we done? We did the Fairlane. That's right. We did the Fairlane. It's been a long day. We've done the Fairlane. We've done the transmission. Feels all good. The car's actually a pretty quick car. I just want to take it on the strip and see how fast it is standard. So we're good for that. Tomorrow we'll take it for a run. Up and down again. Check for leaks. And then we'll go from there. Next stage, I think, is coilovers.
No.
Hurt the ankle, not good, cold ankle. But yeah, anyway, like, comment, subscribe, do a skid for us, not on the streets, not recommended. We'll catch you soon. Thank you.